What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to change Roblox age. It's pretty easy, just follow the steps I'm going to show you. So to do that, for users under the age of 13, updating their birthday may require ID verification or parental consent, depending on the new birthday that is selected. ID verification allows users 13 and older to verify their age using a government-issued photo ID that can be a driving license, passport, or etc. For example, a user under the age of 13 correcting their age to 19 is required to ID verify. And parental consent allows parents or and guardians to approve certain actions for their child, such as birthday changes. Only Roblox accounts with parent privileges can provide a parental consent. And to change your birthday in Roblox, log into your account, go to Settings and select the Account Info tab. Select on the pencil icon next to the birthday to edit. Enter your correct birthday. Follow the prompts on the screen. Based on your age, you may be prompted to ask your parent for permission or verify an ID. So yeah, this is how you can change your Roblox age. Hope this video helps you out and we will see you in the next video.